Welcome to this quick video on creating sparklines or using sparklines to visualize data in Microsoft Excel. So I've got a little bit of information on my spreadsheet right in front of me. On the left hand side I've got some products, some groups, so some regions, and then I've got September, October, November, December data. There's a lot of information there and it's quite hard to visualize. So realistically, I could use some charts and stuff like that, but sparklines is quite an easy way to just see if there's any that are constantly dropping, that are going up, just to give me a bit of a visual of what's going on between the different months for all these different products. So very simply, all I need to do is select the box where I'm going to put that sparkline, best way to do this, and then make sure you're in the Insert tab, which I am at the top, and towards the right hand side, just after the middle, I've got the sparkline option. And if I click on that drop down, you can see I've got the line, I've got column, and win or loss. So I'm just going to do line for this example. And then it's asking me to select the data where it's going to pick from to show that sparkline. So I'm going to select it on the screen. I'm going to select September, October, November, and December's data. And then because I've already selected the box that I want to drop it into, the second option in that drop down, select where to place the sparklines. I've got G2 and that's where I'm going to pop it in. If I hadn't have selected that and I'd just gone on to sparklines, then I could select that as well. But if I just click on OK, what you'll see there is the sparkline has dropped in really nicely. Really easy for me to work with, and you can see I've got some options available to me now in the ribbon where I can actually change it on the left hand side if I want columns instead. So you can see what's going on there, and win or loss doesn't really work for this example, but there is an option there. You can also edit the data on the left hand side. You can do some selections. So if I go back into line and I select high point, it's very small. I will zoom in at this point. You can see there's a red dot there showing the high point. Low points and negative points can also be there. And you can see first point, last point, and markers as well. So you've got loads of opportunities to really click into and highlight that data even more. You can even change the colour, the design of that sparkline, and you've got loads of other design options towards the right hand side. So the last thing I'm going to do then is I'm just going to drag this down so I can get this for every one of them. And you can see as I've pulled that down, it's just picked up all of the info. And now I can see if any of my products are trending up, they're trending down, they're going up and down as we go through the months. And I've got some really nice visuals of that data. So nice, quick, easy tool to use if you just want to get a bit more visual, but you don't want to start creating charts or anything like that. So please have a go at that one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.